CES 2018, we're here at the Sony booth, and we just got back from a nice little power outage. We took a little power break from all that, so now the power is up, so hopefully it won't pop again. We're here with Eric from Sony, and he's going to talk about the new wireless noise-canceling headphones, correct?
Correct. So we introduced two hero products here at the show. We have the wireless-free Sport 700 is our model number on the unit.
Okay.
One of the things we're really excited about is that not only does it come in an array of colors, so it's going to be good no matter what your style taste is. It's a very cosmetically pleasing design, but we also are introducing a world's first wireless noise cancellation sport headphone.
Okay.
And that's an IPX4 rating, so it's splash proof.
IPX, for waterproofing?
Correct.
Okay.
Splash proof, so they call it splash proof. I confuse myself all the time.
Yeah.
And the cool thing is it has the same noise cancellation, or what we call industry leading noise cancellation features as our 1000X family that we've already had in the market, which is now available, by the way, in 3 different form factors. So you have the 1000X buds, which are the wireless free. You also have the around the neck version, which is a wire but wireless.
Yep.
And then you have our over the head, which are award-winning over the head noise cancellation WH model from Sony as well.
I've used those several times. They're great when you're out and you don't want to have cords hanging around you. So
excellent.
So we're going to take a look at these models now, or is there anything else you want to?
There are a couple other points. So one of the things is, as you see them on camera, you'll notice that around the actual ear pieces, there's a circle, and most people think that's the button that you want to press.
Okay.
And it's not. Those are actually the microphones. So there's 2 microphones built in.
Don't press the button.
Right. Well, there is a button, but we'll show you what that button
is. Don't press that button. Is it a red button? Because you can really tempt them by making it a red button. Don't press the red button.
Never press the red button. But yeah, right under our Sony logo, there is like a transparent looking button that you would press in order to activate the different ambient sound settings, which is really cool because no matter whether you're out for a jog or if you're on a plane, you have different setting modes where you can customize your noise cancellation experience.
Okay.
And that's something we're really excited to get to the consumers at such a nice price point.
Okay, perfect. Well, let's take a look at these and go from there.
So you have the, like I said, the 700 series comes in the cream, the yellow, depending on who you are, or green, right?
Yeah.
The rose or pink flavor, and then you also have the black. Now, as you look on the back, those are the 1000X family, slightly larger bud, but they're also going to house the 6mm driver.
Okay.
One of the awesome things about this unit, in my opinion, is that not only does it give you those different noise cancellation modes that we spoke about on the Sport Edition, but we have the world's first smart listening by adaptive sound control. What that means is if you're on a jog or at the airport, the actual headphone mics can listen to those noises, ambient noises, identify where you are, and automatically make those adjustments for you so you get the best noise cancellation experience.
Nice.
The last thing I want to mention about the earbuds for both the Sport and the 1000X family, and we'll look at some of the other ones shortly, is the app. So when you purchase the Buds from Sony, you get access to our Sony exclusive app that allows you to go in on your smartphone and adjust for all the different ambient sound levels. So I can actually choose where I want noise to come from and minimize noise in anywhere that's not those sections I chose, as well as if I'm on an airplane, I can set it up in ambient voice. What's really cool about that feature is when the waitress or the flight attendant, is asking if you would like a drink, ambient voice allows you to hear that while still listening to your music.
Oh, nice. Awesome stuff. Let's talk price points. Let's talk availability. What do you got?
Fantastic. So on the Sport, which is the 700 model, those are going to be available around spring.
Okay.
Price point was $179.
Okay. And
the WF 1000X model, those are actually currently available in stores, and those are $199. So there's a $20 difference.
All right. And then, of course, going to Sony.com to find out more.
Correct.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Eric, for your time.
My pleasure.
And check everything out. We got a lot more action over at CES 2018. YouTube.com/Geekazine. just subscribe, like, and comment on these videos so I know what to get. And until next time, geek out.